Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. So the scope of this video is to understand the another 4 method of a string in Python. And this is the 18th video of Python playlist in API POTHI. Here we are going to understand the 4 method, where first method is expandtab, second one is the format map, third one is the isalpha, and fourth one is the isascii. And here we are going to understand the first method called expandtab. The argument of expandtab is the optional, where default behavior of expandtab is it will replace the /t means tab with 8 space. So the output of this method will be a new string where tab is replaced by the space, and space is depends upon the how we are using. If we will use the default behavior of expandtab, then by default /tab will be replaced by the 8 space. Whereas if we need to provide the tab size value, then obviously it will replace with the respective tab size. Now coming to the IDE in order to understand the expandtab more. Here I have created the string lab18 for the video number 18. In respective manner we have the string lab 17, 16, 15, 14 for all the respective video. Earlier I was typing in all the example into the string example.py. Now I have categorized all the code depends upon the video. Codes remain same, only thing is that file name will be a change. These are all code you can find into the Git. Okay. Now coming to the our topic for the expandtab. Now for expandtab we need to create the input variable. Expandtab equal to welcome to API POTHI Python series. Here what exactly I will do, all the spaces I want to replace with the tab, and tab means /t. Same will go here /t. Now what I will do, first we are going to understand the default behavior of expandtab. Dot expandtab, okay, output expandtab equal to, now print, okay. Technically the expandtab value is 8 space. So here all the tab is getting replaced by the 8 space. Now let me execute this code. You see here, welcome to API POTHI. Everything is getting replaced by the 8 space now. Okay. Okay, now it's good. Okay. Now what I will do, this is the default behavior. In the same way, I'm just creating the another variable called 1. I'm just changing the variable name. Instead of giving the 8 space, I'm just giving the 20. 8 was the default behavior. Now I'm customizing with the providing the 20 space for tab. Now if I will do, if you see, this string is becomes like that. So in between two string, it has the total 20 spaces. Okay, so this is all about the expandtab default behavior and by passing the argument. Now coming to the another method that we have is format map. Format map is basically helping us to fetch the dictionary value. Since dictionary we have in key and value pair, so from key and value pair we need only value while providing the key. Technically format map required argument, which is the mandatory argument, required argument. The argument is the instance of the dictionary. In the dictionary we will be having the value in a such a way that we will be having the key, we will be having the value. So once we provide the dictionary into the format map will help us to get the dictionary value, not key. Now coming to the IDE in order to understand format map. So here input format map equal to, I am just creating one dictionary saying that A comma API POTHI, not comma colon, because it's in key and value pair. Second value I'm just giving as a key as a B, saying that API POTHI talk. So now what I will do again, input map string equal to welcome to API POTHI and API POTHI talk. Okay. Now what exactly I wanted to do, this API POTHI I want to replace with A. Okay. Same as welcome to API POTHI and API POTHI talk. And this I wanted to replace with the P. Right? Not like that. Great. Now what I will do is, I'll just copy this one. I will just copy this one and just I will call the format map, and argument I will pass this dictionary. Okay. I will create one more variable, output format map, print output format map. So what this format map is basically doing is, this format map is basically helping me to get the value. So we have the key A. For key A we have the value is API POTHI. For B key we have the value is API POTHI talk. So now this format map got the API POTHI as well as API POTHI talk to value. As value it is getting replaced by the this A key and this B key. So we will get output as a welcome to API POTHI and API POTHI talk. Welcome to API POTHI and API POTHI talk. Similar example we have already seen in the only format, but this is the format map. We are also going to understand that what is the differences between format and format map. But high level, format map will create the new instance where format will use the existing instance only. We're going to understand more about this one in upcoming video. Now coming to the another method called isalpha. Isalpha is basically the boolean method which will give the true and false value. True in the case of if in string all the character are actually the alphabet, then isalpha is going to return the true. Whereas at least one character is not the alphabet, either it is the number or it is some special character or some space, then this isalpha is going to return the false value. Now coming to the IDE in order to understand the isalpha more. So for isalpha, I am just going to create the input isalpha. What I will do, I will just writing API POTHI. Because this isalpha is not required any argument, so simply I am just going to pass the isalpha. Okay, and isalpha. Okay, now this will give the output as a true. In the same manner, if I'll just copy it and paste it in between API and POTHI, if I will provide one space, then it should give me the output as a false. Now let me execute this code. It is giving false. In the same way, if I am going to pass some number 1, okay, let me change the variable name here. This is also going to give me the false only. You see, false. So here for this one it is giving true because all the characters are alphabets only. Here we have the spaces, because of that it false. Here we have the number, because of that it gives the false. Now coming to the another method that we have is called isascii. Isascii is also the boolean method which is going to give me the true and false. True in the case of if all the character of a respective string are ASCII value. We have total 128 ASCII value, right? Out of 128, if the character are matched, then isascii is going to give the true, else it is going to give me the false. Now coming to the ID in order to understand the isascii in Python. So for isascii, I'm just going to create the input string. Input is isascii equal to, here I'm just typing API POTHI. Okay. Now what I will do is that I want to check that whether all the alphabets for this string is belongs to ASCII or not. Dot is ASCII. It should give me the true if all are there. Output. Okay. Now here it is going to give me the true only. It is giving true. Now in the same way, if I will change this is our keyboard character. I will just replace this keyboard character with this input. This input I have just copied from the net. This is the special character, some German or Greek letter. I'm just validating the same here. Okay, changing the variable name. This should give me the false because this is the note from the ASCII. Now let me execute this code. It is giving false. So this is all about the isascii method of a string in Python. In the next video, we are going to understand the isDecimal, isDigit and isNumeric method of a string in Python. Thanks for watching this video.